I'll tell you about a new concept that is going to be very, very big in the next 10 years. Imagine that you're going to have an AI agent that is going to work for you, it's going to make money for you, and then you will be able to tokenize this agent. What does it mean? So let me explain you what is going to happen in the next 10 years with agents. And actually, this idea came from day one of the Agora project from the European Union, where I'm a PhD researcher. And just by listening all the presentations of my fellow researchers and doctoral candidates, I was just thinking and reminding about a paper that I read on this concept. So what is working like this? Now we have OpenAI with ChatGPT, you have Cloud with Anthropic, then you have Meta with Llama, and then you have XA from Elon Musk. And of course you have other models such as the Alibaba model, and other models that are being created from Mistral, and even one that I love a lot is New Research. And New Hermes Research is an amazing chat that I've been using, an amazing large language model. So the key thing, it goes in two elements. Number one, because we are perfecting the interactions that we're doing by chatting. Have you noticed when you go to ChatGPT now, it's starting to have memory? This is important because it starts to remember who you are and what are you talking. So what is going to happen is a lot of companies will use as background all of these technologies and will integrate and launch new services around them. So they're gonna create what they call like the AI agent employees or workers, or your AI co-workers. Of course, you are seeing this trend, but this is the interesting thing. Now, let's say you are able to have an agent, and this agent learns about your business and learns how you handle sales. That's it. That's the only function of this agent. How he can optimize the sales process each time you have someone going to your website, filling the form and feeling an interest. So normally you will get an alert on your Slack and you can automate this using tools such as Zapier. And then it will notify you and says, okay, interact with them. Well, what the agent will do is that he will follow all this process from the moment that the user has been filling the form, and then you will start to do the tasks that are needed in order to contact the user. Now, because you have been trained on specifically how do you talk, what is your offering, and what do you want from that user, the AI agent will immediately contact, either sending an email or an SMS or a voicemail. And will start to get in contact with the user until the point that the user is ready to engage in a conversation so he can just buy your product or your service. So the AI agent will do all the hard work of what they normally have, like inbound or cold callers, all of this. Like it will prepare you everything. The cool thing is that the agent, because it learns from the company, you will have 2 ways to use this agent. So you either, one way, you pay a subscription-based service. Let's say, because a good agent, it could cost you $100 per month, $200 per month, which sounds a lot, but not compared to what he can deliver. If you hire someone that is doing the same job, and it will cost you $500 in the Philippines, or $1,000 in Latin America, or $5,000 in the US. So this is the economic elements. So one way that companies will do it is that they will offer the service as a software as a service or agent as a service. That's one way. The other is like companies will say, okay, we offer you another way. It's we give you the AI agent and we will take a commission. So it's like a commission of the kind of jobs that he helps achieve the company. So he said, okay, we'll get 5% of all the deals that the agent is doing. So now let's suppose company has deployed a lot of agents, some of as subscription and other as share, revenue share. Where do you think the company will put more of their resources if you are the creator of the AI agent? Well, in the revenue share, because you can make more money. And this is where the tokenization of AI agents comes. And I know it sounds like science fiction, but it's gonna be true. Now imagine that the company wants also to fundraise, okay? So you could do the traditional way of fundraising, like when you go to Stripe, and because you have a specific amount of transactions, Stripe will give you a loan. Or it could apply to their neobank. Or what if they can put the agents and show them, because all the transactions are registered on the blockchain, that they have delivered. So you have like a ranking of AI agents that are helping organizations and are generating revenue. So now the process of tokenizing the agent is like, okay, let's say agent 1 is generating $5,000 per month on revenue, okay, consistently for the past 6 months. Okay, so if this is generating 5,000 months consistently, and we expect even to grow or to keep, that means that per year, this AI agent will generate $60,000 per year. So it's a very efficient AI agent, a very efficient AI worker. Now check the interesting thing. Because now I know that it generates 60,000, and I use a common multiple on SaaS, I could say that the value of this agent is from 5 to 10 times that, correct? So that means that the value of the agent is 300,000 to 600,000 per year. So what we'll do is like, let's go to the lower case. Let's go is at 300,000 per year. So now you have created an AI agent or AI worker that is valued at 300,000 per year. And by tokenizing, the process of transforming the asset into value via a token, it will mean that now you can sell part of the agent to any company, any institution, so they can invest. So now imagine this, and it's so crazy. People will be able to buy fractions of AI workers. And then, let's suppose the agent becomes better, and let's suppose that the company sold 50% of the tokens. Let's say they said it was at 300,000, let's say it sold 300,000 tokens of that agent, okay? So now everyone can put even $1 and start making money. Because remember that this agent will become better, so now his productivity level is not 5,000, but let's say next year is 8,000 per month. So it's reaching 96,000 per year. And now because you have a revenue share model, you can start receiving dividends in an automatic way each time the agent is getting paid. Because the cool thing about these agents is that they will have their own wallets, their own crypto wallets. So they could be in Solana, in Ethereum, in Ripple, in any blockchain. So the agent is an own worker that has wallets that receives payment only based on their performance. But now, because it has been tokenized, it has value in the market. And now because people have invested on him, let's call it him, then the increase of the value will also generate an increase on the asset value of the owners of the agent. But also because you have a revenue share agreement, the buyers of the tokens will receive dividends from the revenue that is shared by the company that the AI agent is working. I know, it sounds like science fiction, but it's coming. And I just wanted to show you the initial draft of what is happening. I'm gonna make more videos on this logic, but I'm pretty excited about the future and the possibilities. And I really love the Agora project. Amazing doctoral candidates that are coming from more than 5 countries, from Italy, from France, from Greece, from England, and from Cyprus here in Nicosia, just to talk about the future of the metaverse. And what I just described is just one element of that future where you combine AI agents being tokenized. Thank you very much, and let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this concept and where do you think it will start being implemented? Thank you very much, and subscribe now. If you're not subscribing, well, you're not getting these ideas.